Have you ever wanted to change your design's orientation in Canva but didn't know how? Whether it's switching from portrait to landscape or just rotating a single element, today I'll show you exactly how to do it, quickly and easily. First, let's talk about rotating an entire page. Canva doesn't have a direct rotate page button, but there's a neat trick using the resize feature. Click on resize at the top of your design. Here, you can swap the width and height values. For example, if your design is in portrait mode, swapping these will instantly turn it into landscape. You can apply this change to your current design or create a copy with the new dimensions. This way, your original design stays safe. Now, if you just want to rotate individual elements like images, text boxes, or icons, it's even simpler. Click on the element you want to rotate, and a small rotate handle will appear near it. Click and drag that handle to rotate freely, or hold Shift for precise 15-degree increments. You can also enter specific rotation angles in the top toolbar if you want it perfectly aligned. With these tips, you can fully control both your page layout and the orientation of every single element, giving your designs a professional, polished look. It's fast, intuitive, and a game changer for presentations, social media posts, and more. Try these techniques next time you're designing, and you'll be amazed at how flexible Canva really is. Give it a spin and see how easily your designs can transform.